In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use live WhatsApp chat in Zoho CRM with Timelines AI. By the end, you'll be able to launch a real-time WhatsApp conversation directly from a lead's record and keep everything neatly tracked in your CRM. First, make sure you're on the Zoho CRM homepage. From there, head to the Leads module. You can browse your list or use the search bar to find the lead you want to contact. Open that lead's record so you can see the full details. Before you move on, it helps to confirm the lead has a valid phone number saved with the correct country code, since that's what the chat will use. Inside the lead record, look for the Live WhatsApp chat area provided by the Timelines AI integration and open it. This panel lets you message the lead without leaving Zoho CRM, and all exchanges are logged automatically to the timeline for easy tracking. Click Start New Chat to begin. A prompt will appear asking which number you want to use. Choose the lead's WhatsApp-enabled number from the list. If you see multiple numbers, pick the one that your team has designated for messaging. Double-check the formatting so messages deliver correctly. Next, select your own connected WhatsApp line as the sender. This is the number that Timelines AI has linked for your user. If you don't see your number, it usually means your permissions or connections need attention, so reach out to your admin to enable it. You may see Start New Chat again to confirm your choices. Click it to open the chat composer. Now you're ready to type your message. A simple, friendly opener works well, such as, "Hello, I'm reaching out regarding your inquiry. How can I help today?" Keep it clear and personal. If you're initiating a new conversation or it's been a while since the last reply, be mindful of WhatsApp's business messaging rules. Approved templates may be required outside the standard response window. Send your message, and you'll see it appear in the conversation thread. Replies will show up here in real time, and everything is automatically captured in the lead's timeline, so your team can see the full context later. From this chat panel, you can continue the conversation and, if allowed by your setup, add attachments or quick responses to keep things moving efficiently. That's it. You navigated to the lead, opened live WhatsApp chat, started a new conversation, selected the right numbers, and sent your first message, all from within Zoho CRM using Timelines AI. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.